first time I did this kind of paper background, that was 2 years ago. I'm going to leave a link of the video where I introduced it first in my channel so you can watch it. That first time I never had an idea of the fact that I can use top bond to do it. I used sellotape, and if somebody just touches the wall, it just falls off. I did it here that time. So this time around, my mind just told me that I've been working with top bond for like a month now, so I know that it's stronger than sellotape. So that's why I'm using top bond. I don't know how it's going to look like when I decide to take it off. I don't know if it's going to spoil the paint, but whatever thing it is, with me, I've enjoyed it enough. So anytime I'm tired, I'll just tear the paper off and deal with whatever is underneath. So we're not stressing ourselves. But this one is actually long term. If I want to use on any other background, then I'm just going to use my tripod and my backdrop to achieve that look. So that's all. So from this is how far we have gone. So he's going to add paper to this angle, this straight angle here, and take it up a little. This is the final look of our backdrop. I made this clip before, but it came out very bad. That's why I'm refilming it again. So this is the final look of the backdrop. I hope you like it. So this is what we're going to be using for now, actually long term. So if I want to change it, I know how to use the backdrop. So I hope you were able to learn one or two things from there. If you want to do it, all you need is just your newspaper and your top bond with a brush and possibly somebody to assist you. That's all you need. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, do not hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a constructive comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.